what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm SEEBIEDEEBIE and I do reviews and unboxings and everything in between on my video. But today we're going to be doing a comparison between the Tory Burch, what are these? Travel mini flats, and I don't know what these are pronounced as. I think they're pronounced as Liana'S or Liana'S. I don't know. So anyways, I figured, you know, a lot of people want to know what the difference is between these because I certainly did before I bought them. I actually bought these first, and because these were actually too expensive for me to buy at the time, and these were on sale. These was like half the price of these, and so I wanted to know what the difference was between them. So I got them, and of course I said I got these first. So we're going to be going over these first, like the pros and the cons, or basically what I like and don't like about them. And I like the fact that these are leather at the bottom. I'm a huge fan of all leather shoes. If you guys see my other videos before that I talk about, I actually love leather shoes, like inside and outside, because girl, my toenails tear my shoes up. Like if I have plastic shoes, my toenails will dig a hole through the shoe. Like they are just so powerful, okay? They just tear through my shoes, and you guys know what I'm talking about. And so there's some toenail scuffs in here as well, but these are made of leather on top and inside and at the bottom. Let me just make sure I'm saying this right. Yeah. And these are made in China, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, so these are made in China. I actually got these in 6.5 because 6 was way too tight, like way tight. I don't even think I could put my foot into the 6. And I usually wear like 6, 6.5. So I got the 6 first, and then it fits. I had to return them, and I got the size 6.5. And I have these in 2 colors. I have these in the black, and I have these in like the gunmetal silver color. But I wish I wouldn't have got 2. I wish I would have just got 1 because like I don't wear these anymore. The buckle right here is really cute, and that's what really attracted me to it. It's really shiny, and it's got like, I don't know, rhinestones in it. Girl, don't even talk about that, okay? The dirt in my shoes, okay? Don't even. This is real time, okay? I wear my shoes. But again, these are all leather, and one of my favorite things was that the bottom was leather, because I am so rough on my shoes. That's why I really like to buy high-end shoes, and I talk about this in my other videos as well. I have an unboxing video on this one, and I'll link it up there, and I'll link it down there if you guys want to watch. But I think these were like $150 or something like that. But I will say these, I try to break them in, and I swear these do not break in. Like I get blisters up here and up here. Now I don't remember which one it was because I have the silver one too, and one of them, like, it hurts me up here. They don't fit the same. They're the same size, they're the same style, but they don't fit the same. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the leather that it's made of, or I don't know, but I don't like them because they give me blisters in the back, and they give me blisters like up here. So I had to wear band-aids with them every single time I wear them. And so I just don't wear them anymore. And I'm thinking about selling these on like Poshmark or something, because I have the boxes and, you know, everything. And like I said, I really don't wear them much. I mean, like, hello, look at that. Like, it's barely worn. I mean, the leather is, of course, because, oh, excuse me, because, you know, I'll be walking on them and stuff like that. But, you know, they really don't have like any scratches on them or anything. So if you wear a 6.5, hey girl, I'll be selling these soon. All right, so enough about those. I had something in my teeth. Anyways, enough about those. I don't like them that much. They're really cute, but yeah, they give me too many blisters. I try to break them in, but I just can't. So the next ones I'm gonna be talking about are the Minnie'S. These Minnie'S, I just got them maybe a month ago, but I have a video on that as well about me unboxing them. I'll link it up here and down below as well. But their leather is so soft. Like, this leather and this leather is not the same leather. This leather is way soft. I don't know what they did to this cow, but man, they put conditioner on it. Like, girl, this leather is so soft. Maybe it's baby cows. I don't know. That sounds terrible. But I was really weary about this part right here because I was like, oh my gosh, oh my God, these freaking killed the back of my foot. So I'm so worried about these. But this part, don't worry about it. It does not hurt you at all. You don't even know that this little scrunchy part is here. Like, you don't even notice it. And of course, it's all leather inside as well, inside and outside. And this leather inside is so soft as well, so soft. And the inside is like nice and squishy. This inside, it's squishy too, but it's just not as squishy. Also, the bottom of these, they're plastic. They remind me of teaks, of how they have the padding up here and padding down here. And the bottom is even leather, like the soft leather. It's amazing. It is amazing. These, I should have got these first. I should have just, you know, bit the bullet and got these first. But girl, I will say that, I don't know, I'm a crazy ass walker. Look at the top. Look at the tip. Like, I tore it up. It's only been like I said, a month maybe. The rest of the shoe though, like, I've been walking on gravel and stuff like that, and it hasn't tore the leather up at all. Absolutely love these. These are made in Vietnam. And like I said, those are made in China. So I don't know if it's like maybe where they're made. I have no idea. I wonder what these buckles are made of. If you guys know what these buckles are made of, because they sound like this. You hear that? They sound like metal. I wonder what they're made of. If you guys know what they're made of, comment below and let me know what they're made of, because I'm curious. Absolutely love these though. I will probably buy like more colors in these because I feel like they last longer. They're way more soft. And oh my gosh, I just cannot talk enough about these. Like, they are just amazing. You do not have to break in these at all. I actually ordered 2 sizes of these, a 6 and 6.5, and these are the 6. So I got these in 6.5 and then these in 6, right? That's so crazy. You would think that you wear like the same size in shoes in the same brand. No, girl, they're made out of different leathers. You better get different pairs. Different sizes, I mean. These are amazing though. I would definitely, if you're wondering if you should get these or these, definitely go with these. Like, save up your money and buy these because they are way more worth it than these. These are cute, like if you're trying to dress up and stuff. But like I said, you would be getting blisters on your cute little feet. Okay, so just go ahead and get these. I do have another video where I show you guys how you can get cash back on Tory Burch purchases, like shoes, purses, clothes, whatever. I'll link that down below, and it'll be up here as well. But I do get cash back on all my Tory Burch purchases because, you know, I'm spending that much. Like, I think I should deserve some cash back, right? It might not be much, like 10%, but hey, that's still cash back to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little comparison video, and I hope it was really helpful. If you guys did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.